Subscribe to Drama YT and press the bell icon to get the latest videos first of the all. Hey guys, how are you? It's K2 and I am back with another C-drama video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about some of the best Chinese dramas which involves contract relationship in the storyline. While the general idea between two tropes are similar, pushing two people into close proximity until they fall for each other. It also makes their genuine I-do's, which happens later in the drama, all the most touching and heart-fluttering. And watching them pretend to be an actual couple while trying their best to bury any blossoming feelings is always a treat. So in this video, I'm gonna give you my top 7 list of C-dramas which involves contract relationship in the storyline. So without further ado, let's get to it. Number 7. Only Kiss Without Love. This is about a funny and sweet love story between a reporter Tong Tong with a sex exchange secret and CEO Xiao Baiyu with mischievous personality. Xiao Baiyu is the CEO of Fengseng department store. He is the illegitimate younger grandson of the Xiao family. He was made the CEO when his elder half-brother Xiao Zunjiang when he had an accident, and Jin Zhuang represents for this. Tong Tong is a reporter who inherited a strange disease from her father. Once she kissed a mammal, she becomes a man within 3 minutes. In order to change back to a woman, Tong Tong kisses Xiao Baiyu in her male form, which started rumors that Baiyu was a gay. To dispel the rumors, Baiyu asks Tong Tong to be his contract girlfriend. Number 6. Time Teaches Me to Love. A contract relationship begins between the stupid cute Lin Lu and the childish Si Lianxin. In order to pay for her younger brother's instrumental medical bills, Lin Lu gets into a contract relationship with Si Lianxin, the young and domineering CEO of a company. Unknowingly, the binding contract paves the way for something more as Lin Lu repeatedly tests Lianxin's limits and a romance ensues. Number 5. Midsummer is Full of Love. Luo Tiaran is a fiercely independent and strong-minded young woman with a high sense of self-worth and dreams of making a splash in the music industry as a songwriter. However, due to some ill-fated interventions from a pair of her friends, she ends up having to move out of her house. Fate intervenes and her path crosses with a pop superstar named Jin Zei, who comes across as something of a spoiled brat. Despite his cold exterior, he is actually secretly childlike and needy. The duo is forced to live in the same house on a temporary basis. At first, it seems they will never see eye to eye as their personalities are so very different. However, over the time, Luo Tiaran gradually falls for Jin Zei's charm and the feeling becomes mutual. Could love bloom between this decidedly odd couple? Number 4. Flavor It's Yours. An accidental kiss sparks an unexpected romance when a wine critic with perfect taste and a girl with no sense of taste find that their senses have been switched. Lu Weishun is a genius wine critic who is cold and unapproachable. In his field, he is regarded as a tyrant because of his strict expectations and well respected for having the perfect sense of taste. For some reason, Lu Weishun crosses paths with the upbeat He Bo Zoe, a young woman who lost her sense of taste since she was young. What kind of chemical reaction will take place with the meeting of two polar opposites? Number 3. I Hear You. Baeyar, a girl from an ordinary family, dreams about studying in Japan to be a professional voice actress. However, her mother wants her to marry rich while she is young, leading to continuous blind dates which irritates her. In her desperation to raise funds for studying overseas, as well as helping her best friend Tang Li out of a crisis, she joins a couple reality program, encountering top violin maker Ye Shuwei. Ye Shuwei is from a family of artists and has a low-key, mysterious and genius character in both the composing and violin industry. He was forced to join the reality program having lost a bet to his nephew Yu Sheng. In fact, the actual reason that attracted Ye Shuwei to participate in the show is not his bet with Yu Sheng. Instead, he seeks to identify the person who correctly answered his audition questions. Before the reality show is faced with the crisis of integrity, Baeyar and Ye Shuwei start a lively and funny cohabitation life and spontaneously fell into the fate of a wonderful romance together. Number 2. My Girlfriend is an Alien. Chai Xiaoxi, who was an alien girl from the Cape Town planet, lost her signal and had to stay on Earth. She encountered an overbearing boss named Fang Ling, who was suffering from the rain-weather heterosexual amnesia, and he would forget the females around him. A hilarious and romantic crossover love story since then started. Chai Xiaoxi was not only an alien but also a true-handed witch. Once she inhaled the hormone emitted by males on the earth, she would fall into flowery state and made many funny things after that. In order to survive on the human earth, Chai Xiaoxi used her various superpowers to solve one accident after another. Number 1. Perfect and Casual. This story revolves around the cold and icy male god Professor Zhang Xinyan and the calm and sunny Yunshu. After a fractious first meeting where Yunshu dressed down the especially finicky Xinyan, she was shocked to find out that he was her university lecturer. Through a series of coincidental encounters, the two agreed to engage in a contractual marriage. As the feelings between them grow, how will they keep their relationship a secret from those around them? So this was it guys, the video ends here. I do hope that you have liked this video, and other than these top 7 dramas, there were some more dramas that I wanted to put into the list, but I thought that you guys might have watched all these dramas, so just take a look for just to remember. The dramas are Begin Again, You Are My Destiny, Well Intended Love and Love in Time. If you guys have not watched any of the dramas that I mentioned here, you could just consider to watch any of them. All of these dramas are super good and they are just enjoyable. So that's it, the video wraps here. I hope you have liked this video, and if you have watched the video till here, I really appreciate it. And just give this video a like and subscribe to DramaYT. And yet you haven't followed me on the Insta handle, which is right in front of you. It is called DramaYT.K2. Follow me there as well, and I will see you later. As always, your K2. Love, peace and hugs. It really been a pleasure.